How to hide a folder in Windows 10. Hey there, Windows 10 users need to keep certain folders private or out of sight. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily hide a folder in Windows, adding an extra layer of privacy to your files. Let's dive in. Navigate to the location of the folder you want to hide using File Explorer. Right-click on the folder you want to hide to open the context menu. From the context menu, choose Properties at the bottom. In the Properties window, check the box next to Hidden under the General tab. Click on the Apply button and then OK to confirm the changes. If you want to view hidden folders and files, go to the View tab in File Explorer and check the box for hidden items. Your folder is now hidden from plain view. To confirm, go back to the location of the folder and check if it's no longer visible. To access the hidden folder, go to File Explorer, click on the View tab and check the box for hidden items. The hidden folder will now be visible. Congratulations, you've successfully hidden a folder in Windows, keeping your files private and secure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends and hit the like button. See you in the next one.